Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing the Higher GCSE paper for 2022 and we're going through each question, probably one question per video. And here we're on to question 4. We're going to write 1.63 times 10 to the minus 3 as an ordinary number. So we're going to take it out of standard form. Now 10 to the minus 3 means 1 over 10 cubed or 1 over 1,000. So I've got to take 1.63 and divide it by 1,000. So imagine moving that decimal place, put some zeros in front of it. That would be power of 10, 10 squared, 10 cubed. So it's going to be 0.00163. Okay, so move that decimal place 10, 100, and 1,000. Now, putting something into standard form. Now, standard form, we always need a number that lies between 1 and 10. In this case, it's going to be 4.38. And how do you take 4.38 to that number? Well, it's 4 times 10 times 100 times 1,000 times 10,000 times 100,000. Now 100,000 is 10 to the 5. That should be the answer. If I remember correctly, a million is 10 to the 6, so I'm not into the place value of a million yet. Okay, so we go, we've done 2 marks in less than 2 minutes. So if we're trying to aim for a mark a minute, we're right on track, even with a bit of discussion and checking. Right, here's a bit more complicated question. We're actually got to do an operation, and we've got to write this in standard form. Now, because of the order of multiplication, we can do those numbers in any order. So I'm going to do 4 times 6 first, which is 24. And then I'm going to use my index laws, 10 cubed times 10 to the minus 5. When we multiply bases, we add the powers. This is going to be 10 to the minus 2. So now I've got 24 times 10 to the minus 2. Remember, I need to have that number lying between 1 and 10. Do 2.4. So I've got to remember that 2.4 is 24 times 10 to the minus 1. I've divided that by 10. So it's going to be 10 to the minus 1. Okay, let me just check that. 2.4 times 10 to the minus 1 would be 0.24. Would 24 times 10 to the minus 2 would also be 0.24. Okay, I'm just double checking myself there. 2.4 times 10. Yeah, if I wanted 2.4 times 10 would give me 24. So I'm just taking the powers of 10 out. Okay, there we go. That's Higher GCSE, question 4, standard form. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and continue watching this paper series.